Hello, SBA Eagles. These students are following the bathroom expectations at Susan B. Anthony. Let's see what safety, ownership, acceptance, and respect look like in the bathrooms. Remember that SBA Eagles go, flush, whoosh. Here are some students showing respect using the bathroom by using appropriate voice level 0 and respecting others' privacy. It is important that everyone has privacy when using the restroom. Students stand back away from the stall when waiting their turn. When students are finished using the bathroom, they flush the toilet and walk to the sink. They wash their hands. Eagles show ownership by using the sink and soap appropriately. Students also show ownership by keeping the bathroom area clean and by helping clean up even if it's not their mess. Watch what Eagles do when they have finished washing their hands. They use hand dryers to dry their hands. Eagles demonstrate ownership by leaving when their hands are dry. Remember to use an appropriate amount of toilet paper when using the bathroom. No one likes a clogged toilet. If there is a big problem in the bathroom, like a clogged sink or toilet, report it to an adult immediately. Eagles demonstrate safety by keeping their hands, feet to themselves when using the bathroom. Remember, the bathroom is not an area to play. Feet should stay on the floor at all times when using the bathroom. Finally, the bathroom is not a place to hang out. Soaring Eagles go, flush, whoosh, so they can get back to learning right away. Remember, Eagles soar even when no one is watching.